in Namity.
Hello, Claire and Ademola. Good morning. Here is the morning news. The families of the victims who were abducted during morning church service in Kuminwali village are asking the security agencies to intensify efforts in rescuing their people. The governor of Kaduna State, Senator Obasani, who visited the village to sympathize with victims, says the security agencies are working hard to ensure their prayers and requests come to reality soon.
We have been collaborating with the relevant security agencies, both the military, the DSS, the police, and the Office of National Security Advisor, to ensure the quick return and recovery of our people that were abducted in this very important community. Every citizen of Kaduna State, whether it is only one person, we believe it is the responsibility of Kaduna State government to protect the life and properties of the people of our state.
Nigeria's internal security architecture is receiving a major operational boost as the Nigeria Police Trust Fund intensifies capacity building for officers and men of the force on counter-terrorism rapid response at the Police Mobile Force Training College, Nasarawa State.
We are committed to working side by side with the Nigerian police force, ensuring you have the tools and the support required to confront today's threats.
So what do we do if we do operations, we have successful arrests? What do we do with them? How do we gain conviction? Because that's the end result of our operation. If we captured many who are disturbing us and we cannot successfully prosecute them, then we've done nothing.
And still on security matters, substantially, efforts on war against terrorism is gaining more momentum as a clear indication that the recent strategy adopted by the presidency to improve security is working. At a media briefing, an aide to the Minister of Defense, Aliyu Anas, said the fight against all forms of criminality will be sustained by the Minister of Defense, General Christopher Musa, until peace returns to all parts of the country.
We urge the Judiciary and the Barrister to immediately cease his own campaign of harsh and insulting and offensive verbatic language and against the person of General C.G. Musa and any other person or any other leaders and any other Nigerians that is ready to insult our leaders. We are not going to support that because both the religion, Christian and Muslim, did not support anybody to insult a leader. The only thing is to pray for them and then say what is needful and for the country, because we need peace in this our country.
And away from security, the Federal High Court, Abuja, has restrained Julius Abure from further parading himself as the national chairman of Labour Party and recognizing the Senator Usman Nainadi-led caretaker committee as the legitimate leadership of the party. Justice Peter Lifu, who gave the order, anchored the decision of the court on the April 4, 2025 verdict of the Supreme Court, which nullified Abure's claim to the position. The court therefore ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission to immediately accord recognition to the Nenadi Usman-led caretaker committee as the only lawful authority to act for and represent the Labour Party, pending the conduct of a national convention. The judgment followed a suit instituted by Senator Nenadi Usman challenging Abure's continued stay in office. Justice Lifu held that materials placed before the court clearly showed that Abure's tenure as national chairman of the Labour Party had expired. The court dismissed Abure's argument that the dispute was an internal party affair. The judiciary, as the third arm of government, offers a platform for anyone having disputes over a litigating matter to obtain judicial remedy. Judiciary analysts, however, observe that the duty of implementing judicial pronouncements lie within the ambit of court registrars. Hence, the Chief Justice of Nigeria is seeking visible improvement in their performance.
Each and every one of you in your various courts can think of innovative ways to make your job more effective and more efficient.
What was sufficient knowledge 5 years ago is inadequate today. I urge each of you to embrace continuous learning.
I recommend very seriously that a survey should be conducted to get very accurate feedback from the people we serve. What do they want us to do?
The three-man FCT Area Council's Election Appeal Tribunal has been put in place. The Appeal Tribunal under the Nigerian law serves as an appellate court for election disputes relating to the FCT Area Councils.
The moral authority of your Lordship's decisions will depend in significant measure on the perceived independence and integrity of your conduct. I therefore charge your Lordships to maintain strict impartiality in the hearing and determination of all petitions, applications, and interlocutory matters. Justice must not only be done, it must be seen to be fairly done. You must uphold the right to fair hearing even under tight timelines. Each party must be afforded equal opportunity to present his case with the established rules.
And those are the news highlights. Good Morning Nigeria continues with Ademola and Claire after these messages.